Okay, so in this next section, so we will be adding the event listener of the button. Okay, so we'll be adding the event listener of the button. So first of all, what we shall do, right in the game manager, so this is where we left off. So in the game manager, we'll create a function that changes the game state from initialization to playing. Remember, when the game loads, it starts off on initialization. So we can say on start button clicked, so here we'll say the moment the button is clicked, so we want the moment the play button is clicked, so what should happen? We'll change the current state, right, to playing. Okay, so this changes the game state to playing. So you should save this, Control S, and then you save, and then we can go to the inspector, and then let's just open the start menu and go on the play button itself. So on the play button, we need to add an event here. So you can see click events right now is 0, but what we want is to add 1. So we can just say 1 and then press enter. So you notice that this will come, so you can see that. So 1 event. So what we want is one thing to be happening when we click the button. Now, what do we want to what do we want to achieve? We want this on button clicked function to be running. So where does this on button clicked exist? It exists in the game manager. Where this is the game manager script. Where is the game manager script attached? It's attached to the game manager node. So here it's expecting a node. So we get the game manager node because it's the one that has the script, and then we drag it there. Then when we drag it there, here we can then select the script, so game manager, and then from the script we can then select this function on button clicked. So we can see, you can see all the functions. Where's on start button click? This one here. So we can click on button clicked. So what does this do? It creates a click event. So when we press the play button, it will then be changing the state of the game, right? So it checks the node, gets the script, and then from the script it runs that function. Then the function changes the state from initialization to playing. So that's what's happening in this. It's a very short video. If the function itself had some arguments like inside here, we could of course pass that data here, but this is a simple function without any arguments, so we don't need to pass anything in there. So the result of this should be that we should be able to switch from the main menu to the game. So let's just run this. We'll run it in our simulator. So let's just do a quick demo. Right, so you can see it starts off with our game state on initialize. Our initialize sets up the road, so it has set up the road, but we've not enabled play. So if we click left or right mouse buttons, as you can hear from my mouse, the player can't move. Why? Because we've disabled the mouse input. But when we click play, right, so you see when we click play, we've added the event listener, so it should listen to a click event. So when we click play, it will run. So you can see that it changes the game state to playing. So in this game state, the playing game state, in the previous tutorial we had mentioned that the playing game state enables the input again, right? So now when I press, the input is able to collect, so it's able to listen to the click events. So that's pretty much the end of this tutorial. Very short. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. That helps a lot with the YouTube algorithm.